4 powerful words.
I am an integrator.
I am an integrator.
I am an integrator.
Connecting your world. We simplify technology and controls to enhance your life with the highest quality audio and video entertainment services, connect smart fans to regulate temperature and airflow, create moods and add privacy with shade automation, offer vital home security to keep you safe, provide networking throughout your environments, and support a dynamic lifestyle with vibrant, state-of-the-art, human-centric lighting throughout your space. Connected living at its finest.
We are experts.
Live your best life. We set the mood, keep you safe, promote wellness, simplify controls, and keep you connected.
I am an integrator.
I am an integrator.
I am an integrator.
I am an integrator.